Alright, so what we're going to try to do right now is we're going to try to show you how to make this isometric box and make it look 3D with the tonal shading. So first thing we're going to do is get our sheet of paper out here and of course sketch out our light source. So we've got our Mr. Golden Sun here hanging out as our light source, and we're going to go draw that isometric box. Now isometric is a technique where you're going to make a object look kind of realistic, and by splitting the axis of the lines so that you're looking at the corner of a box. So first thing we're going to need is a vertical line, and then we're going to need to create basically a Y. Now when we do this, we want to try to do our best to split this evenly so that the angles are all equal, as the name isometric implies. Iso equal metric measure, isometric. So these three angles should be about the same. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to come down here from the bottom, and we're going to come up here and we're going to make three, the rules of threes, right? So things happen in threes. So there's our first horizontal or right axis line. So we're going to go ahead and draw three of those. So 1, 2, 3. And these need to be 1, 2, 3 in parallel. So again, rules of threes, things happen in threes. So vertical line, 1, 2, and 3. So the first one we drew anywhere. The second one, which is our original line that we started. The second one is vertical, and we're just going to cross the two side-to-side lines anywhere. Just try to make them as vertical as possible. And then the third one, we're going to start, it's going to pass through the corner where our first two lines met and come on straight down. Now here's the trickiest part. This is where most folks mess up. We're going to do the third set in the rule of threes. So 1, 2 through this cross point right here, parallel to the first one, and 3. So it's going to go.
It's 7:13.